fly with RC Bazaar. I'm Tabrez Nadvi and my teammates include Pawan MJ and Vignesh. We are the Boeing IIT Aero Modeling Competition Champions, which was held in 2014. So today we are going to unbox the Blazer from rcbazaar.com. This is the box in which it comes in. The length of this box is about 90 centimeters, width is about 33 centimeters and height is about 28 centimeters. It is not more than 2 to 2.5 kilos and it doesn't sound like anything is loose from inside. So it is very well packed. The most exciting feature of this kit is that it comes in two configurations. One being a trainer configuration, the other being the sports configuration. Let's check this box out 360-degree view. Now, come, let's see what's inside this box. Take a look. This is how it looks inside. The box size is bigger just to accommodate the lengthy fuselage. The wings, elevator, rudder, everything comes in this much section. You can see that everything is taped and well secured. They have put high impulsive strength absorbing foam at the sides so that it can absorb any impact during shipping. The first thing which comes out of this box is the horizontal stabilizer. The elevator is properly hinged and you can see that the control horn is prefixed with the screws using a back plate. This holds a lot of material of the elevator than what the gum does. You can also see that there's a magnet which tells me that the horizontal stabilizer is stuck to the plane not by using glue but by a magnet. There's a C shape here which aligns the horizontal stabilizer perfectly in the center of the fuselage. The next is the operational manual for this kit. This is my favorite part, cutting open the wings. This is the sports wing, one half of it. Ailerons hinged, backplate, servo backplate. There's a notch to fix the wing onto the fuselage. Then there is a pre-installed carbon fiber rod. A flat bottom aerofoil. Slightly sweep, and also the thickness of the wings reduces span-wise, and there's a beautiful wingtip which reduces the induced drag, and also there is a prefixed servo mount. The servo is not there in this wing because it is attached in the trainer version wing. Here comes the other half of the wing. Yay, another set of wings. I'm unboxing a plane which has two wings. This is the trainer version, one half of the wing. Here you can see servo is pre-installed with all the linkages, clevis, then rod and a servo backplate. The thickness of this is uniform and it is a rectangular wing. If you make a comparison between the sports version and the trainer version, you can see that the trainer wing has more area than the sport version, and also this is a rectangular wing whereas this has a slight sweep The airfoil thickness decreases span wise, whereas in this it is constant throughout. There's servo already present in this, and there is no servo here, so that once you are done using this trainer version, you can transfer this servo to this wing. This wing over here, the sports version, has a carbon fiber spar, and the trainer wing has a slot for a plastic spar. One more thing is, the servo lead or the servo wire is tucked into the foam and it doesn't pop out anytime during the flight. Here comes the spar. This is a carbon fiber spar for the sport wing. This is the plastic spar for the trainer wing.
The next is vertical stabilizer.
Prefixed with control horn. It also has an airfoil, and there you can see a magnet. Very long relief to go inside the fuselage. Rudder perfectly hinged. Fuselage is down there. Here, take a look at the packing. It is well packed. The top view and the bottom view. You can see here the elevator and the rudder servos are pre-installed with all the linkages. Here there's a motor mount with pre-installed ESC. You can see the wires of the ESC hanging out. And removable cowling, which are held by magnets. Motor mount, which is held perfectly with a light ply mount behind, a light ply firewall. Cooling system, you can see the holes at the bottom as well as at the top. This is the hole to fasten the wing bolt. Not just to hold the wing, a slot where the horizontal stabilizer goes in, a slot for the vertical stabilizer, prefixed linkages for the rudder and for the elevator. To remove the battery and put a fresh battery, and this plate is to fix the landing gear, and this which is projecting out is for the nose wheel. Let's look what's inside the other box, the smaller box. Oh, I can see a motor, a propeller, nose cone, and then landing gear accessories. This is the motor with which it comes, out on a brushless 3511 570 kV with pre-installed propeller and a nose, which later needs to be fixed over here. Nose wheel, wheel with wheel collet, as well as spring for suspension, and scale-like look. This is to be attached on the wing, which is then fastened by a bolt. Extra servo cover plates for the sports wing, control horns, screws and an Allen key to fix these control horns on the sports wing, and extra screws of course if you lose any of them. A Y connector to connect both of the servos in one channel if you are using a 4-channel radio, or if you don't want to program flapper-ons. A Phillips head screwdriver, control horns and clevis for the sports wing. The main landing gear is made out of aluminum, very light. These are the things which comes inside the box. The Blazer kit, the fuselage, the trainer wings with the trainer spar, aluminum landing gear, nose wheel assembly, Y connector, servo plates for the sports wing, wing hanger or wing slot wing holder, control rods and clevises for the sports wing, control horns, screws and Allen key for the sport wing, a horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer, operational manual, outrunner brushless motor with propeller and nose cone, sports wings, sport wing spar. Thank you for watching the unboxing video of the Blazer from rcbazaar.com. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on how to construct the Blazer as well as the flight reviews. RC Bazaar team wishes you guys all the best and happy landings.